Yo, this winter's crazy, man. That winter storm that just happened. Look at these icicles right here on my house. Like, these things are huge, right? Well, I'm about to measure it to show y'all like how long it is. Hold on. Look at that. Got my whole roof like iced up. Icicles everywhere. But this particular one right here, I'm about to see. Hold on. Let's see. Hold on, let me see. Hold on. Look at this. Right. If I were to measure it, you see it? Hold on. See the thing. Icicle right here. Shit, you can't really see it. Hold on. Look, see that? I'm trying to measure to see like how long it is. Hold on. Man, hold on. Look. See that? I'm putting it to the top. Bam. Still ain't long enough. Hold up. Hold up. It's hard as hell to try to hold this thing up here and hold the camera. Alright, so you see the top, right? Look how long this thing goes down to. I'll have to tell you in a second. See that, right? What's it at? 56 inches. No, 57. 58 inches, actually. See that? $58. Damn near 5 feet. Actually, you know what? I'm only hitting from the roof right there. Hold on. Only hitting from the roof right here. See what I'm saying? But if I go like to the side, like the side right here, probably like 6 feet or something like that. Hold on, let me see. All right, measuring from the roof, 65 inches, man. Yeah, that's 5 feet, 5 inches. That's how big these icicles are on the side. It's crazy. Imagine if one of them like fell down on you or something, like especially this one, should probably go all the way through. But yeah, man, just look at that. Thing is thick as hell. You see it? Look how long this one goes down to. All the way down to that. Crazy, right? And then like even if you look on this side, they got smaller ones. This whole thing's iced up. All the way down to the bottom. Look at that. Look how thick that ice is. This is in New Jersey, by the way. And then even when you come over here, look, the whole ice part right here. That's even longer than this part, going all the way down. To be real, that's a whole nother icicle right there. And look what it does. It reaches all the way to the bottom. So right here. So yeah. Just showing y'all. Basically the whole roof. Even to the pipe right there going up to the top. Crazy. But yeah, y'all, 65 inches. Y'all got some icicles on your house, let me know too. Because even if you look over here before I end this video. Hold on. Alright, now even look at the front. Hold up, let me make it smaller. See what I mean? Another one. And that goes all the way to the top. You see that? Crazy. None of the other days this winter did I see it like this either, like with big icicles. It's freezing cold out here. You see what I'm in. Yeah, it's cold. But, yeah, it's a whole nother one. They're telling us to knock this off the roof, but it's crazy as hell. You think I'm gonna knock that off? I think it'll probably go through your whole body. But yeah, y'all, you had some icicles on your house or whatever, your car, your trees, whatever. Comment on the video or just watch the video, whatever. All right, man, I'm out. Peace.